Moving on to something that is another new feature in Business Central is if I come out to my general ledger entries, but elsewhere within the system, anywhere you've got entries or columns or data like that, there's this new feature called Analyze. If you happen to come out, if for anybody, if you are already using Business Central and you don't see this, sometimes when there are features introduced and you're not actually seeing them on the screen, you can come out to Feature Management and see if you've actually got that one set up for use. So this analysis mode, you would want to make sure that that one's enabled to be able to see this. But it is, like I said, going to allow you to analyze from within the system, and it's going to save these analyses for you. So I can create these analysis reports for different programs. It's going to show me in this view all of the data, so I can click to start a new one. It's going to show me everything that I have there. But from within here, I can use my column filters and my analysis filters and create the columns that I want to see. So this is going to show me all of those columns that are available in here. It's also going to show me the things I can filter in. And another thing it will do is there is a pivot mode. So you are able to go ahead and do a little bit of pivot work within here using some of those things that you've already created in terms of filters. So I can set some analysis filters. I can pull things down. I can pull specific rows down, or if I wanted to, pull down my category code, I can pull certain things down. So that's going to now pull that category code down for me. And I could even say, yep, well, I've got category code in there, but I don't want to see the blank category code. So that's something I would be able to come in here and actually say, nope, I don't want to see the blanks. So I can say, well, just the ones that are non-blank in there. And then that's going to go ahead and start doing some of that pivot for me. So again, you do have pivot mode also available in here, and you're able to then save these with whatever title you want. So I can say, okay, I want to call that one pivot. And again, I'll be able to see these reports that I have sitting out here. Much like in Excel, I can also delete. So if I want to delete that one, so now I've got one for nutrition, one for pivot in this particular context. Again, if I were to leave, and then, whoops, I want to leave to something else. Nope, I keep going to my reports. If I were to leave this and say go to statistical accounts and then come back to my general ledger entries at first, from there, I will see again that list of GL entries. But once in there, so now I'm just seeing that full list, but once in here, I can go to Analyze, and it's going to save anything that I already had out there. And again, if I had created something, if I want to create something new using that data, I just click on plus, and I can add another tab to do some analysis. So this allows me to save those reports or those analyses directly within Business Central.